So you want to stabilize your video. Let me show you in this simple tutorial. So in this video I will show you how to stabilize a video in a simpler way on both mobile and PC. On PC I'm gonna use Premiere Pro. It's not a free app but does a very good job than others. Other apps that can stabilize your video is After Effects, which is more complex to use for some. If you want tutorial on After Effects, then do let me know in the comments. Now back to the Premiere Pro. So when you launch the app, create a new project and add your video you want to stabilize. Now add it to your timeline and click on it. Now click on Effects tab and search for stabilizer, and you will see the warp stabilizer. Just drag it to your video. Here my Effects tab is on the left side because I have kept it that way. For you it will be on your right side like this. Just do the same. Now you can see that it will take some time. You can change the stabilizer settings in the effects control tab, but I will keep it on default because it generally does a very good job itself. Now after it's done, you can check your stabilized video, and if it has no issue then you can export it and use it. Before showing you the mobile version, do subscribe for more videos like this. Now on mobile I will use a CapCut. You can download it from the Play Store. If it is not available there, then download it from other store of your phone or from web. Now after installation, in some countries like India it will not work as assumed for most features, so for that you can use any VPN. Now when you launch the app, you can add your video to the timeline and click on it. Now at the bottom, browse stabilizer and tap it on. Now it will show you options how much stabilization you want. Here I will choose the recommended, and after it will take some time for the stabilization. Now you can check your video and export it. So this is the simpler way to stabilize your video. And that's all for today. Hope it was informative, and if it was, then do like the video and do subscribe. And this is shaFs, and I will see you in the next one.